My name is Trevor Harris. I work for NXP Semiconductors. We are a Dutch semiconductor company, and my title is the Internal Controls Manager for SOX and now ESG. When we first got Workiva and started really using the tool for our 10Q, 10Ks and for our control self-assessments and really reporting, monitoring all those different pieces, like wow, it just helped us with the reporting capabilities, the ease of use of automatic reporting, putting that in the Workiva sheets, being able to kind of report that up in an aggregated level to management, saying this is where we are right now about how many controls we have, how many risks do we have, whether it be for SOX, ESG, SEC reporting, or how we even want to utilize that data for other activities that are coming down the line around disclosure mapping. I have a control over every aspect of those three pillars. I can create customized reports for my end users and dashboards as well, to have an ESG pillar RCM, a SOX RCM, and a cybersecurity control RCM. And so that's really giving me control over what we need to report. It's just angelic. I feel like this is what accountants have been asking for and needing for decades, and no one really came to the call for something that was really a catch-all tool, basically, for compliance. How do we get ahead? Because we're always playing catch up with all the disclosures and things that are coming from the SEC or the other governments. Having this tool is getting ahead.